Hello, everybody. Today I'm gonna take you with me on a short trip to Lake Bled. It's about an hour and 20 minutes out of Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia. It's a great trip. I hope you enjoy it. Nestled amidst the Julian Alps, this picturesque lake is often referred to as the Pearl of the Alps, for good reason. In the late 1800s, Bled Island and its accompanying village, nestled in the middle of the glacial Lake Bled, attracted aristocrats from all corners of the globe. With its crystal clear turquoise water, a charming island at its center, and a medieval castle perched atop a cliff, Lake Bled offers a truly magical experience. First, let's enjoy this 1969 classic, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. And in Slovenian. It must be, it was on the radio. This is Bled. And that's Lake Bled. I had no plans or itinerary, just drove around the lake and enjoyed myself. Right in the center of the island is the Assumption of Mary Pilgrimage Church, a remarkable architectural gem constructed in the 15th century. A visit to Lake Bled wouldn't be complete without the trip to the Bled Island. I didn't do it, but I regret it. To reach the island, you board a traditional wooden platina boat like this one. To reach the church, you must climb the famed 99 steps that hold some symbolic significance. According to local tradition, grooms carry their brides up these steps while the bride maintains complete silence, symbolizing a future filled with happiness. Additionally, the church bells are known to bring good luck, and visitors are encouraged to ring them. This is my friend Victor and his wife ringing the bell around 2019. I guess it works. They're still married. By the way, ring it 3 times. Now, continue driving up around the lake. The next stop, the Bled Castle.
Turn right to stay on Grijska Cesta, then your destination will be on the right.
Made it! The iconic Bled Castle. It dates back to the 11th century. It is a must-visit attraction. As you climb up the castle's ancient walls, you are rewarded with panoramic views of the lake and the surrounding landscape. Let's have some lunch here. A friend of mine that's been here before recommended it, so let's go check it out. Since 1903, so they must have learned how to cook already. All right, let's go check it out. Some of the activities that you can do around here. And look at these places. Of course, I'm not gonna do it, but check it out. Okay, so this is it for Bled. I should have stayed here at least a couple of days, but not gonna happen. So heading back to Croatia and find a place to stay, return the rental, and see what happens from there. Not quite sure where I'm going. Probably stay in Zagreb for tonight, maybe tomorrow. Let's see. Let's hit the road, Jack.